EagleRidge, expert kitchen remodeling in Layton, Utah. EagleRidge is the leading expert in kitchen remodeling and renovation in Layton, Utah, serving homeowners in the 84040 and 84041 areas. With a commitment to superior craftsmanship and high-quality materials, EagleRidge transforms kitchens into beautiful, functional spaces tailored to each client's needs. The remodeling process begins with a thorough consultation to understand design preferences, lifestyle needs, and budget. EagleRidge then crafts a custom renovation plan, ensuring a seamless and efficient process from start to finish. Their services include complete kitchen makeovers, cabinet installation, countertop upgrades, and flooring solutions. Whether you're looking for a modern, traditional, or farmhouse-style kitchen, their expert team brings your vision to life. EagleRidge specializes in kitchen design, offering 3D layouts, custom cabinetry, and premium countertop options like granite, quartz, and marble. Flooring services include tile, hardwood, and vinyl, ensuring durability and style. They also handle backsplash installations, lighting upgrades, and plumbing work, including sink and faucet installations. For those looking to integrate smart home features, EagleRidge provides electrical upgrades and lighting control solutions. Structural modifications, such as wall removals and kitchen expansions, are also part of their expertise. Each project is completed with finishing touches like custom woodwork and decorative elements, adding character and elegance to the space. Homeowners in Layton trust EagleRidge for their attention to detail, timely project completion, and transparent communication. Whether you need a small update or a full kitchen transformation, EagleRidge delivers outstanding results. Call EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 to schedule a consultation and start your dream kitchen remodel in Layton, Utah.